Well, let's see if the shot-off girls are still awake, huh?
Sure.
We haven't given them a shot at us.
Let's see if they're still awake. Said have fun. Windows crack, 20 below. Cold.
Windows can't be open tonight, it's too cold.
Excuse me, I'm about a minute and a half out. 342 copy.
Well, thanks for following our live on patrol. Shout out girls.
Every drive.
We just gotta have a face-to-face Sunday. I know we saw that one out on the side. There's more than one.
Oh yeah.
Hands were cuffed, flashlight swung. They talk right over, voices raised, fill the air, change the frame. Laugh comes quick, then fades too fast as they roll away from the past. 1998 still breathes in every street where truth won't leave. They say the name, they say it plain. Past and present share the same lane. Thank you for watching. Lights roll on, but something lingers after they're gone. Click of a lighter, smoke in the cold. Some names don't loosen when you let go. Justice for Artis Graham. Lash out before the window slam. You can talk it down, you can drive on through, but some words follow you, passing through.